Now I'm married, Judge.
Mrs.
I do that because I don't know. I'm starting to do that now more. They respect you. When they say Neil, she just an old citizen. They don't even give you no respect. So if you put Mrs., you get it.
There you go.
There you go. Let me get this in right now.
Next, you know, you gonna get that one dude that try to hit on you next.
I get them
All
you
the
know.
time.
And I be like, dude, you know, you ain't got game, you ain't got this, you
So
ain't got
that's
that.
I guess I'm sure that's the story of most women's life. Most.
Mhm.
No, you gotta wait for them to call you.
Okay, Al, I got Al, I got James Garner, and I got Alicia Owen. And I got Olson.
Yeah.
Herbert. You guys hear me?
Say yes.
I can.
Yes.
This is
Yes,
Al.
sir.
I can hear
Yes,
you.
sir.
Just say yes now.
No.
Oh, that's the court.
What's today, Tuesday?
Today is only Tuesday.
All right, all day long, right?
Yeah.
All right. Let's get Al. Who is Al? What's your last name?
Lawson, Arnetta, Lawson.
Arnetta. Arnetta. Good afternoon to you. I got Arnetta, Mrs. Lawson, Miss Lawson or Mrs. Lawson. I don't know if you're married or not. I have Mr. Olson. I have Mr.
No.
Latner.
Latimer, yes, sir.
Latimer. I have Alicia Owen. Everybody's got two cases. I got Moto G Stylist 2021. Who might that be?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
I have you checked in, Miss Lawson. Who might the Moto G Stylist 2021 be? You have to unmute yourself and turn your camera on. Lawson, I'm gonna need to see you at some point. Mr. Garner, I'm gonna need to see you at some point. All right, the person with the Moto G Stylus is not unmuting themselves, so I don't know, I can't check you in. All right. We're gonna wait on the city attorney to come in, or we're gonna wait on the defense attorney to come in, and we're gonna wait on the court reporter to come in. We have the city attorney, Mr. Goss, that's the city attorney. He's writing the offers, or has written the offers. And a offer that's not in the file, that's the person we're gonna turn to. Good afternoon, Mr. Goss.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
And there's Moto G Stylus. Good afternoon, Moto G Stylus.
Good afternoon.
What's your name, ma'am? I know it's not Moto G Stylus.
Selena Lovely.
That's the walk-in.
Selena Lovely.
Yes.
That's what I call my wife, Miss Lovely. Lovely.
Yes.
No, she's the walk-in.
Oh, the walk-in. You've been here before.
You talking to me?
Yeah, haven't you been here before, Miss Lovely?
Yeah, I was assigned to Judge Langston, and he had retired, so they sent me to another judge that gave me a court date of December the 20th. But I never heard anything back.
I thought I remembered your name. Okay, the lady that just checked in would be Anoa. Ichera Onoa. Did I get that pronunciation right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I'm gonna pat myself on the back. Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. Now we got the defense counsel. Good afternoon, Ms. Hatcher.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Lockett.
Good
Lockett.
afternoon.
Coco Lockett.
Yes, that's me. I'm here.
That sounds like a movie star name.
Okay, I know that's right.
Coco Yvette Lockett. Sounds like a movie star name. All right, let's get going. Well, we still gotta wait on, anybody have registration and proof of insurance? I would get that stuff out now. All right, we got Mr. Garner, James Garner. Good afternoon to you.
We didn't even acknowledge. They did at the beginning.
If anybody's got registration and insurance that they've been charged with that, if you have those documents, I would get those documents out now. Ms. Onoa, you got a charge here that there's no reduced plea on this charge. You need to go to trial on the charge or take the deal today. I can put you in the breakout room with Ms. Hatcher to discuss that with her. That's a $240 fine. It's an alcohol-related offense, and it's 2 points on your driver's license. You can take the trial. You can't do any worse. You can only do better. It's up to you and your lawyer. You want to start off speaking with her, Ms. Hatcher? All right, let's do this. Ms. Williams-Law, good afternoon.
I can, Your Honor.
Say what?
I said I can, whatever you like.
All right, let's
You know, if you
we'll get
just
her
do
out
it
of the way.
every so often. That's it.
Well, wait a minute. Let me wait because I don't know what else she has in there. Because she's already.
Good afternoon, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your background quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your names to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there may no talking, eating, drinking, gum chewing, walking around or smoking of any kind, and please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Good afternoon. Ms. Olson. Mr. Olson.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good-
Let me
good
ask you
afternoon.
this. What do you have in that can there?
Oh, this is coffee.
Oh, okay. Hey, Gutierrez. Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Very good to meet you.
All right, I'm gonna start muting everybody until I call your name.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Other than beginners.
Are you at work, Mr. Garner? I can't hear you. I'd say, I'm gonna take that as a yes. I'm gonna get him out of here too.
You just won't get that kid.
Why? You got all kinds. Yeah.
Yes, I am at work.
I thought I was gonna get you out of here quick, but you got pages and pages of stuff sitting here. All right, let's start off with Lawson. We're still letting Miss Patrick speak to Illinois. Straight versus Annette Lawson. Case numbers SP 1211057, counts 1 and counts 2.
I'm here.
I know you are. Where are you?
I'm right here.
Okay. Are you in the city of Detroit?
I am right now. I am, yes.
Oh, you trying to get back to Georgia?
I am trying to get back. Huh?
You know you can't go unless I let you go, don't you?
I'm sorry, you said what now?
You know you can't go unless I let you go, don't you?
Okay.
I might want to keep you up here.
Oh, no, not in this cold. You don't want to keep me here.
Well, I got the whole cars now, you know. I can you're on bond to me now.
I know.
Let me say this, Madam Hatcher, can you put your appearance on the record?
Yes, I can, Your Honor. Amari Hatcher, P74935, appearing on behalf of Miss Anoa.
Annette Lawson. Annette Lawson. All right. So, with that being said, do you have proof of insurance and registration?
I do.
Did you get it out?
I have it out. Is it a way I can email y'all the insurance? I have the registration right here, but the insurance, everything be online.
All right, I'm gonna send my email address in the chat. I'm gonna mute you, Mr. Gardner.
Huh?
No, Mr. Gardner, I had to mute. There's not a lot of background noise. All right, I sent my email in the chat. I'm going to give you an opportunity to send me. Let me see the registration now.
Okay, hold on. Let me show how you switch this phone over. Wait a minute, here I go. Can you see it? I don't know if you want me to take a picture of this and send it to you too?
No, I can see it. All right, I see that.
Okay.
Now, you got some insurance on this Mercedes.
I do.
All right.
I emailed it to you. I'm getting ready to log
All right,
in.
we're gonna pass that matter until I get that email. And
Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Let's go to the next person.
Your Honor, we can call Miss Anoa.
All right. She's a frequent flyer, so I put her in the breakout room. She probably knows better than both of us what's going on. This is the city of Detroit versus Ichera Sasha Anoa, case number SP 122-15201. Appearance for the record, please.
Amari Hatcher, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Yukiria Ono.
Your Honor, Your Honor, I don't have a copy of the ticket. I'm not sure if the court does or if you have the register of actions by chance.
I have a copy of the ticket.
Is there anything in the notations that you could read for the record?
Self-observed above female in the passenger seat sleep with an open 1,800 bottle of tequila, half empty.
Okay. Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to confer with her. She indicated that she would like to plead not guilty and have this matter set for trial.
I would too if I were you. April the 4th,
Okay.
22 at 9 a.m., ma'am.
April 4th?
April 4th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Yes, sir. I'll be there.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
Come with some more clothes on next time, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, let's go to Olson. Herbert Olson. This is the City of Detroit versus Herbert Theodore Olson, case number SP 1220850, counts 1 and count 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Mari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Mr. Olson, state your name.
Mr. Olson.
You have to unmute your device. You have to get somebody to help you unmute your device if you don't know how. Unmute it. Mr. Olson, there's no offer in this file here that the officer says it needs to speak with the officer. So if you want to speak with him in a breakout room, I can let you do that. I can just set a trial date for April the 4th, 2022 at 9 a.m. Mr. Olson, can you get somebody to, ma'am, good afternoon. Can you unmute that device for Mr. Olson?
If you're on a cell phone, sir, it's the red microphone at the bottom of the screen.
To the left.
If you tap, okay, we can hear you now.
Okay,
I
Did
didn't,
you hear everything that's going on, sir?
pardon?
Did you hear everything that's going on?
Yes,
All right, we have a two, well, what's real, actually 3 count, but for some reason, the count 2 didn't make it into the system, so there's only a 2 count now. And
Yeah.
I have Ms. Hatcher in the room, and she can speak with you. There's no offer in the file. The city attorney, it says no reduced plea for some reason. The city attorney wants to speak with the officer to see that we can have you back on April the 4th, 2022 to resolve the matter. And I can let you speak with Ms. Hatcher in a breakout room so that you can confer. She's a very good defense attorney, sir. You can confer with her and she can kind of give you, get you to understand everything that's going on if you don't understand already. So I'm going to put you in a room.
what date is that?
You're going to see a prompt. It's April the 4th. You're going to see a prompt to join the room. Hit that button there. You'll see it pop on the screen now. All right, Mr. Garner, I'm going to get you we need an offer for you.
Say that again.
We need an offer for you.
You need a what?
I need to get an offer from the city attorney for you. You don't have an offer in the file. Oh, yeah.
Your Honor, does Mr. Garner have a driver's license?
I don't know. I would suspect no. It seems like he's frozen up.
Yeah, it looked like he called in. Too.
Oh, he's on the line.
They just called it.
Oh, did he? Yeah. Mr. Garner, do you have a driver's license?
Say what?
Do you have a driver's license, sir?
No, I don't.
Okay, that's what I thought. That's the city attorney asking that question. He's coming down and get you an offer. We're gonna try to get you out of here as soon as we can so you can get back to work.
That's fine, because I was planning on mailing in a motion of dismissal.
All right. And I guess I'm
I
gonna
should
let
have
you put
that.
it on the record. I'm gonna let you put it on the record when I call your cases, but
That's fine.
I would like to hear the basis for that dismissal.
Well, I plan on mailing it in to, I should have it in there you should get it by Monday.
All right, I'm anxious to see what grounds you have for a dismissal. Ms. Gutierrez, do you need a interpreter?
Yeah.
Can we get an interpreter for Ms. Gutierrez, please? Oh, Ms. Gutierrez.
Mm-hmm.
Come back on the 16th.
Okay,
Here. February.
February 16th.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Am I
At 8:30.
8:30 in the morning?
8:30 in the morning, yes. February 16th, that's when she's due here. February 16th at 8:30 in the morning.
Okay, will we join a live chat or will we show up
You
somewhere?
join the Zoom, just like you did today, but make sure it's 8:30 in the morning, February 16th.
Okay, thank you.
I was gonna say that to you in Spanish, but you didn't give me an opportunity to.
Oh, that's fine.
All right, have a great day. I'll see you next week. We'll have an interpreter there too.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Yeah, that's true.
Garner said he's gonna file a motion, he'll have it here Monday. I'm gonna make an offer to you. You might change. Latimer. Oh, hold on a second. All right.
Do we have a prosecutor this afternoon or no?
Yes, right here.
Okay.
Here. He's got Olson. He's got
Is it possible he can come in the breakout room with me and Mr. Olson? I just.
Yes, let's when he gets there, let's pass that matter. Let's get rid of Mr. Latimer too. right now.
Okay.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Robert Dwayne Latimer. Case number SP 1217146, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name, sir.
Robert Latimer.
All right. Mr. Latimer, the offer in the file here is pleading to the amended count of limited access 60 and a 55. That abstracts to the Secretary of State, however, doesn't carry any points. It'll be $135, $125. You can ask the.
I can't hear you. I can't hear.
You gotta stay muted, Mr. Garner. You can ask the city attorney if she can try to do better for you. I mean, the only other,
Your Honor, what did they offer? Limited access and a what?
and a 60 and a 55 is just drove in an unsafe manner.
So
And I
16 and 55 is no points, just so he knows.
Yeah, but it abstracts to the Secretary of State.
Yeah, I know.
And then dismiss the other count. That's $125. The only other best thing it would be is if they offer you a park blocking traffic. That doesn't abstract, but it's $50 more. It's up to you. You have a right to a trial. You have a right to speak to Ms. Hatcher in the breakout room, or you can take the deal. What do you want to do, sir?
Well, I definitely don't want it to abstract because my license is back and I'm trying to preserve that, unfortunately, due to the circumstances. Moving from the light, if I was hearing you correctly, I can agree to a charge of blocking traffic, which is more money.
That's only if Ms. Hatcher can work that out for you. That's not on the table. That would be something that she would have to do some work for, aside from the work she's already done on this file. So when they zoom in the breakout room, I'll definitely give her opportunity to do that. He's on there. Let me see. Mr. Goss, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You want to talk to him now, or you want to go in here? I'll put you in a breakout room. This is Mr. Latimer we're talking about. Join the room.
Your Honor, you sent the prosecutor to the breakout room, or?
Yeah, he's in the breakout room. So talk to him about Mr. Latimer right quick, and then I'm gonna put you both both of you in the breakout room with number 2 that you were in with Mr. Olson.
All right.
Where's the button that I hit for the breakout room?
You don't do it. You wait. She's gonna do it and work on it for you.
Okay.
Owen, you're gonna be next. Lead off. Then it's not gonna be on next. It's gonna be. What are these things here? These are. What can we do?
Yeah, that's a lot of cases. That's the afternoon, they can be arranged.
Well, the afternoon, we didn't have to schedule.
Down the floor, right.
We're just gonna go ahead and zoom in.
But you want me to see if I can try and adjust this right?
No, I don't want to ask you to do all this.
And then I can fund it.
You said what?
They're not gonna fund the cases anyway.
Do we want to-
You know, like.
Oh, yeah. Well, here's love. Walking, you know. This is Captain Miller.
Yeah, that's what I was asking, if you have the information, he sent some information about his, doing the testing, and he said he sent you.
This was mine, somebody put them as mine.
Yeah, he was the older gentleman.
Why is he, why am I listening to the attorney?
Mhm. Are you? Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, I'm taking out. And, let's see, do you know whether or not he sent you proof they completed?
I haven't gotten proof of, Mrs. Whatchamacallit, Miss, Lawson. All right,
Okay.
we're back on the record with Mr. Latimer. Anything, I got lost. All right. Anything, is there anything that further they were willing to do?
Yes, I don't know if council is back in. He did say he would amend the offer, but it will be some contingencies to it if Mr. Latimer wants to take advantage of that.
Okay, was that the defensive driving, or here he is here?
That is correct, Your Honor.
That's right, Your Honor. May it please his honorable court, Dante Goss, P60162 on behalf of the people.
All right, so, the contingency would be to taking the Michigan defensive driving course?
Yes,
that-
Your Honor. Right.
All right,
Then
so-
I would be more apt to consider that request from Attorney Hatcher.
All right, so sir, if you take a Michigan defensive driving course, then they'll reduce it down to blocking traffic. Other than that, the offer's gonna stand the way it is.
Okay. And then
You wanna
when
do
is it?
that or not?
Yes, sir. And when does it need to be completed? Can
I'll
is
give you
there a
30
certain
days.
date?
I'll give you till I'll give you till at least April the 4th. I'm not in a rush because this is not affecting your driver's license.
Okay.
So you got until April the 4th. If you want that, I'm gonna put the class in the chat right now. Now, do you need to go in the breakout room with Mr. Goss and Mr. Olson, Ms. Hatcher? Guy?
So
Your
Yeah.
Honor,
I mean,
I'm sorry. The department policy is that I need to speak to the officer regarding those matters. Even though I understand the circumstances, it's just department policy that I need to speak to the officer.
Let's clear this up so we don't get the record off. I thought it was just a, okay, let's clear this up. Please select the Detroit defensive driving option.
Ms. Hatcher,
yes,
where would I get that information for the driving course from?
the judge will
I'm
they'll let
giving
you
it
know.
now.
Give 1 second.
Okay.
Email the certificate to me at 36 District Court CR434RG. Back on April 4th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. All right, take a screenshot of this, sir. I'm shooting you a chat right now,
Hey, Lo.
or write it down or something like that. I'll put everything in the chat, all right?
Yeah, I'm looking for it. 1 second, Your Honor.
You have that information, sir? You got all them degrees back there. I know you've been on Zoom an awful lot in your business meetings and stuff. You can get that down real quick, can't you?
I do have it. I do have it out. I do have it done. I just wanted to just clarify that after I complete the course, then it doesn't get reported. And then is there a fee for that as well?
There's a fee for the course. He's gonna bring $175 when you come back and bring some knowledge, drop some knowledge on us of what you learned on that course. So take some copious notes, all right?
Outstanding. You got it.
All right, very well. I'll see you back on April the 4th. Type that in just like that, www.michigandefensivedriving.com, so you get to the proper course. All right?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, sir.
You as well. You guys be blessed.
All right, thank you. Okay, I got some offers here, Mr. Goss, that I'm gonna need to do. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Herbert Olson. And he's in the breakout room right now. I'm guessing that you don't need to see him anymore because the officer Mr. Goss wants to talk to the officer. Right, Ms. Hatcher? All right. You're muted, but I saw you nodding your head. So I'm gonna pull him out of the breakout room.
Yes.
And I don't know if Mr. Goss has that file. He does. I need to get that file from him.
He said he sent an email back in October.
Okay, we're back on the record with Mr. Herbert Theodore Olson. Mr. Olson, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with the lawyer in the breakout room. The lawyer has talked to the city attorney to try to resolve this matter today for you. However, the city attorney wants to speak with the officer. So we're gonna have you back and we're gonna set it for a trial on April the 4th, 2022 at 9 a.m. April the 4th, 2022 at 9 a.m. You're gonna zoom in just like you zoomed in today, and then we're gonna get some resolution on that date.
Your Honor, is it possible we can get an earlier date, or that's the soonest date that you have?
Yes, I'm sure it's possible. Ms. Nash, if you can give us an earlier date, if that's possible. All right. Here's some more for, I don't know if you can include, here's some more that need offers. I don't know if you included this with, where's Mr. Olson's file?
Right, you didn't email us.
Is that it?
This is homeless.
Oh, I need offers for all of them. Did you do that for Mr. Olson's file? No. You said the worst. All right, what about, what about March the 1st?
Does March 1st work, Mr. Olson?
Yeah, any day is all right with me, once I get it over with.
Well, we'll make it March the 1st. You want to see it? We'll make it March the 1st then. 2022 at 9 a.m. I gotta change that trial date. You probably have to go back.
So it'll be 9 a.m., sir, same Zoom number.
Okay.
Okay, so you can sign off. We'll continue your not guilty plea until that day.
All right.
All right, we'll
Okay,
see you
thank you.
back March 1st, Mr. Olson.
Okay.
All right, have a great day. All right, Mr. Garner.
Yes.
Who is the officer that wrote that ticket? Can you send it to me, please? Because that's disgraceful.
The guy, he's gotta be 84, 85. My mom is.
That's disgraceful. I'm sorry.
That officer is Walker, S. Whitaker. Whitaker, I don't know who Whitaker is. I'll send you a copy of the ticket. Can we email her a copy of that ticket? All right, let's get Mr. Garner back. Oh, let's go back on the record with Miss Lawson. Miss Lawson, are you there still?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, I'm gonna dismiss. You provided valid documentation, okay? Go back to Georgia now.
Yes, sir.
All right, have a great day, ma'am.
Okay, you as well. Thank you. Be safe.
Mr. Garner, put your phone back on mute. Mr. Garner,
Yes.
we need your phone back on mute, sir. We're in a courtroom. There's a lot of background noise. Thank you.
All right, let's go with, let's get the next person. It's gonna be Garner. Don't unmute yourself until we need you to, sir, because you got a lot of background noise. All right.
Who was that you dismissed her ticket? I couldn't hear.
Lawson. At the first one, I think it was the first one we called Lawson Adnet.
Okay.
Let's see here. Just going through these ROAs. Oh. What is this? Oh, okay. All right. All right. Here we go. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus James Elroy Garner, case number SP 1100435, counts 1, 2, 3. SP 1169507-1. SP 1169507-2. SP 1169510, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1169512-1, SP 1223025, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1223079-1, SP 1223087-1, SP 800104, counts 1 and counts 2. SX 3626856, counts 1. Appearance for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Amari Hatcher, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, Mr. Garner.
James Garner.
All right, Mr. Garner indicated to me off the record that he was gonna file a motion on Monday. I don't know the basis for the motion. I don't know if he's had a lawyer. I don't know what he wants to do. I can present the offer to you and you can take it or leave it, sir. And I wish it was a little clearer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It needs to be a little clearer, but
What's your name?
it's let's say 1 count of failure to display, $240 fine. And 1 count of amended count of blocking traffic, $175 fine. 1 count of defective brakes, $200 fine. And he owes $1,194 on unregistered, untitled. I think this case went to trial at one point. The case was, the trial was either halted at some point because Mr. Garner got sick. He was found guilty by jury. And I can't understand where the $1,194 comes from. I can only surmise my assumptions to myself. But it doesn't sound like Mr. Garner and the previous judge had a very good relationship. So, what do you want to do, sir? You want to take the offer, or do you want to go to trial? And I know you mentioned something about filing a motion. You want to speak with Ms. Hatcher in the breakout room?
In regards to what, sir?
In regards to what I just said.
I'm pleading not guilty.
So you want to go to trial?
Yes.
Here. All right, let's just set a trial date. Trial. And you don't want to speak with the lawyer first?
Sure, I can talk to the lawyer, but I mean, I'm still gonna plead not guilty.
So we don't need to talk then.
Just talk to him.
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, he's saying he knows what he wants to do.
Just talk to him. All right, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room momentarily. Join the room, sir. He's, I think he's gonna be one of those ones. He's gonna go to trial, but I think they got mad at him. Oh, she's gone. All right, April 4th for him. Who is this, gentleman that's coming in late? This distinguished looking gentleman coming in late?
That good one? Okay. You see an L,
Not yet. I mean, I'm sure that that's probably, he doesn't have it behind his name. I'm sure that this is where that's.
It might be this one.
Let's see what Mrs. Owen has. What is it? Do you have? Lovely. All right.
He's still in.
He's out now.
Okay.
All right. So still trial date, April 4th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Say that again?
All right, were you able to work something out? I'll give you an opportunity to speak with the breakout room. Were you able to work anything out, or you want the trial date, sir?
I prefer the trial date.
Okay. April.
Yeah, he indicated that he wants a trial by jury if possible. So just letting you know.
Okay. We can get him a jury trial. Because I don't think that there's any possible way at all that we're going to be able to make it, they're going to resolve anything with Mr. Garner outside of a jury trial. Is that right, sir?
I mean, it's basically simple logic. If we're following the law, the charges should be dismissed anyway. I don't see what's the big problem.
Why? Okay, let me ask you this. Let me just ask you this. If it's true that you're failing to stop at these stop signs, if it's true that you're doing the stuff that they allege, let's get away from the tabs. Let's get away from the insurance. Let's get away from all that. You don't believe that you have to follow the stop signs and the speed limits and stuff like that?
First off, I do believe I have to stop at the stop sign, and I do follow the speed limit. But if an officer just says that, and we're supposed to just believe him because he said it?
Nobody said that you're supposed to believe him because he said it. That's what a jury trial is all about.
Then that's what we're going with.
Okay. I just wanted to get that kind of cleared up, you know, because I had another gentleman come in here, and he's a young guy, much younger than you, much younger than me, 27 years old. And he came in here, whoa, I was like, hey, whoa, you know, I'm not the one. I'm not the one. All I am here is just calling the balls and strikes. So as long as you understand that you know that there is some sort of rules and regulations that need to be followed, I'll let you go where you want to go with that other stuff. We'll set a jury trial for April 4th. I'll tell you this, I don't know, I know the court is supposed to be open to more in-court proceedings starting this Monday. I'm not so sure that it'll be in person. If you want a jury trial, you're gonna have to come down here. We're not gonna do a jury trial on Zoom, all right?
All I ask is that we be fair about it.
Oh, that's where I'm gonna make sure it's gonna be fair. But at the end of the day, I'm not gonna tell you, we'll make this a final pre-trial. We're not gonna make this a trial date. We gotta have a final pre-trial. So we're gonna make April 4th the final pre-trial.
Okay. You should have the motion to dismiss before then.
I wanna see it. I can't wait.
That's not a problem.
All right, final. Now you have to submit that to the city attorney's office as well. So
Okay, if you
all I
can't
do is get a judge's copy. You submit that stuff to the city attorney's office. We'll make that, have the motion here. Have the motion here by, let's put the dates down here now. Motions due no later than I said April the 4th, that's a Monday.
No.
So we'll give a motion due
I'm on my
no
way.
later than March 21st.
That's not a problem.
No, that's for you. The response for the people, if they respond, is gonna be due March the 28th. And I will rule on the motions on April the 4th. And then at that point, we'll set a trial date, all right?
That's fine.
All right, have a great day, sir.
You too.
All right. All right, let's get this.
If y'all ain't fair, then ain't nobody be showing up for court. Because if you dismiss my motions, then you saying fuck the law.
Listen, hey, you're on. I'm gonna put him out.
No, because see,
He's a lawyer. He knows more than everybody. So, all right. This is the city of Detroit versus Alicia Renee Owen. Case number SP 549947, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 971894, counts 1 and 2. And let me see about these other two. We'll call case number SP 12235-101. And what the heck? We'll just call it SP 9719-101. Appearance for the record.
Mari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Alicia Renee Owen.
All right, there's no offer in the file based on the nature of the speeding, 26 to 30 over, man. There's an opportunity for you to take a Michigan defensive driving course. On the ticket, it has that she was laser clocked at 56 miles per hour, I guess on Vernon in Ellery. I'll set aside the default so she can be heard on the expired plate, so all of it can go together. And I'll also allow her to pay the reinstatement fees up front so that while she's taking this class, if she chooses to, she can go get a driver's license. You can speak with Ms. Hatcher in the breakout room. You can agree to take the class right here and now. We'll get you that information, or you can set a trial date. What would you like to do now?
I would like to speak to Ms. Hatcher first.
Very well.
And Your Honor, just a quick question. If she does agree to take the class, when she comes back upon completion of the class, it'll be a subsequent offer submitted to her?
It'll be a subsequent offer. I would like Mr. Goss to let Ms. Owen know what that offer will be. I think that's only fair. So, Mr. Goss, are you there? All right, now let's talk about, I'm gonna text him. And what I'm gonna. All right, but I'm gonna talk about the reinstatement fees. Here's what I'm doing for you, ma'am. And I'm gonna waive the late and reinstatement fee for the one civil infraction that's in default. And I'm gonna set that default aside. That's 2019 default. I'm going to let you pay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reinstatement fees of $45 a piece. I think that's $225. That's $225. The sooner you get $225 down here today, tomorrow, whenever you can do that, the sooner you'll get clearances from the 36th District Court. Now, I don't know if you've been ripping and running all over the tri-state area or more, and you got tickets in all other jurisdictions. I can't help you with those. I can only help you with down here. If you don't have any other tickets, then potentially you should be able to get a driver's license, okay? And it'll go a long way when you come back too, I'm sure. I'm gonna get Mr. Goss in this room so he can, so your counselor can talk to him about what he's gonna do. This is a 4-point offense, 26 to 30 over. And I don't quite get if the allegation is true. I just don't quite understand what makes you think that you can go that fast up a street. You got kids?
I do. It was a situation where I was trying to get the work.
No, ma'am.
I'm
You
sorry.
got kids, and I'm just saying, I'm not saying it's true. They could be totally wrong. They could have the wrong person. The machine might have been wrong. But if they're right, you're going 26 to 30 miles and over on the top street. There's kids out there. You're going to kill somebody. All right. As soon as he comes in, we'll do this. All right. Let me put this aside. I'm gonna actually send you the chat. I'm just gonna resend the same chat I sent the other individual. And what you're gonna have to do with this is take this information down, ma'am, if you choose to do this class. I'll send it to you in the chat.
Okay.
Take the information down. You're gonna have to take some good notes. And on April the 4th, we're gonna hear what everybody's got to say. Somebody's gonna be able to cheat because it's gonna be like 3 or 4 people taking the same class. Because we're definitely gonna expect you to come in here and tell us what you learned about it.
Okay.
You have the information down, ma'am?
I do. Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
So you're waiting on the
Your Honor.
prosecutor? Oh, he's
Very
back.
curious here. I got a pretrial date, April 4th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. You got all the information, Michigan Defensive Driving. And so what Ms. Hatcher wants to know for her client is what kind of, what can she expect? It's the whole benefit for the bargain, right?
What matter are we on?
We're on Owen, and we're on a matter 26 to 30 miles an hour over the speed limit.
Okay.
That's probably the issue that you requested the driving course.
That's correct, Your Honor. That will, depending on how serious you took the class, it could be a 1 to a 2 point.
All right, let's do it like this. If you can get all the way down to a 1-point offense, ma'am, if you can convince and wow everybody that you know what you learned out of this class. Keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial. So if you want to defend yourself and say that wasn't me, then you let me know now, or I can let you speak with Ms. Hatcher in the breakout room.
I would like to speak with Ms. Hatcher.
All right. All right. I would say so. That's a good idea anyway. All right. Let's move on to Lovely. Lovely, same thing. Michigan Defensive Driver. Are you there, Lovely?
Yes, I'm here.
Or you can
I'm
join
here.
that room, Attorney Hatcher.
You want me to join the room or wait?
Yeah, join the room.
All right.
All right. Everybody needs some driver's training in here today. See what you have. 20, set that aside. Set that aside. Back to steering. Set those aside. $30 on that. That's just dismissed, so we'll cancel that $30 off. All right, we'll call these cases. This is the City of Detroit versus Selena Jean Lovely. Case numbers SP 1111621, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1170820, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1170821, counts 1, 2, and 3. And we'll call SP 661467-2. All right. We'll pass that matter. What does your client want to do? You talk.
Yes, I did. She is going to take the course and also going to attempt to get her license valid before she comes back for the next court date.
All right, I'm gonna set a pretrial date for April 4th, 2022 at 8:30. I'm going to pay the reinstatement fee up front for the ones you owe reinstatement fee. I waived the reinstatement fee for that older civil infraction. You need to bring 225 down here to the courthouse, ma'am. I don't know of another good way besides you coming down and paying that. All right, in person, and let the cashier know that I allowed you to pay the reinstatement fee up front. Okay.
Yeah, pay that fee, ma'am, before you try to get your license. Because if that's not paid, you're not gonna be able to get it for sure.
Okay.
And then it's gonna take at least 48 to 72 hours to go transmit to the Secretary of State. All right, just so you know.
Okay.
All right, if not, I'll see you back on April the 4th at 8:30, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, all right. Now, we're on the record with Miss Selena Jean Lovely. I called the cases. Can you put your appearance on the record, Counselor?
Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of Miss Lovely.
The only problem I have with this, I hope that Mr. Goss is on the line, is that it appeared that it has Miss Lovely going to Michigan Defensive Driving as well, but she doesn't have anything. I think that Miss Owens, that 26 to 30 over ticket got mixed up with Miss Lovely's file. So she doesn't have any things. So I don't think that that's appropriate for her to go to Michigan Defensive Driving. I'm just going to say need offer. so we can get him in there. Let me pass that matter, and get back to them as soon as we get that,
And is she on the docket?
no, I'm sorry.
Okay,
You want
because I
the
don't,
case number?
please.
She's a walk-in, and all you need is one.
Yep, just one.
All right, so you have, Selena, Selena, Jean, Jean, Lovely, Lovely, case number SP 1111621, counts 1, 2, and 3. And she's got my wife's nickname that I call her Lovely, and then my mom's middle name is Jean. And you put Michigan defensive driving, but I think you have Miss Owens' ticket. We have Miss Owens' tickets mixed up in that pile at 2730, because she doesn't have any of those type of offenses. All right, so let's move on to, I think Miss Lockett is next. Coco Lockett with the celebrity name.
What do I do, sir?
Uh-huh.
What do Selena Lovely do?
Just wait a second.
Wait
Oh,
till we get, we'll get you updated on
Okay,
your
no problem.
file. All right,
You should have done it before.
hmm?
You should have taken that before.
I didn't hear.
You take case number 4.
Yes, I took that out of it. All right. Lockett?
Yes, sir.
You have a lot of tickets in default as well. These are from 2021. 2021. 2021. I don't know how many times you can get pulled over in a year. 18. All right, let's call the cases. This is the city of Detroit versus Coco Yvette Lockett, case number SP 1189995, counts 1, 2, and 3. I'll start printing. Case numbers SP 1189961. Case number SP 120373, counts 1, 2, and 3. Case number SP 1203737, counts 1 and counts 2. Case number SP 1223556, counts 1, 2, and 3. Case number SP 1223559. These 3 are in warrant status. Case numbers SP 823225, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Coco Yvette Lockett.
Six, 3, 6, 8.
These are states.
State, did you accommodate the offer? This is all right, back on the record. Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mrs. Lovely. The offer today is to plead to a failure to display a valid driver's license, $240. That's a misdemeanor. That is abstractable to the Secretary of State, however, it doesn't carry any points. Pleading to responsible for the defective steering. I don't know, that sounds a little bit dangerous. That's a $200 civil infraction and no registration. That's $105 and dismiss everything else. You have a right to a trial, Ms. Lovely. You have a right to speak with Mrs. Hatcher, or you can take the deal. What would you like to do?
I don't have that car. I don't have a vehicle anymore.
We can speak to Ms. Hatcher. We can
Your Honor,
show her-
how many tickets did she have? Because you know she's not on my sheet, so I don't really know what's going on.
So she has all together, she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tickets. But she only has one driving while license suspended. The rest of them are just civil infractions. The civil infraction, the last one with the $30 fee on there, I'm gonna waive that fee for her. Because it was dismissed and that a long time ago, and there was a fee on there. So that's really, she just has a lot of civil infractions and one misdemeanor.
So FTD, no registration, and what was the third thing they've offered?
And then effective steering. And then I'm looking at it, officer, even though I don't have original tickets, I don't know whether they have a file for her or not, but I won't proceed on an ROA, but I can tell you that Officer Hoyt, he shows up every time, so I don't know if that's gonna make any bearing on what decision that she makes or not, but I can let you speak. Let's speak with Mr. Hatcher in the breakout room, please. Join that room, ma'am. Ms. Lovely? Okay, she's in there. She's on the scene.
Your Honor, what did you say? You said Officer Hoyt is, and
Yeah, it shows up every time, but I don't have a file. Oh, well, I know why I don't have a file for her, because she was probably a walk-in. So, but Officer Hoyt shows up every time. I see. Sounds like she's a senior too. She's in the room waiting on you.
Okay.
No, I remember her being in here before. Lock it. Break my mouth. What's your name, sir? And the Galaxy A02S. Are you Keith Goodman? You're on mute.
Mark Goodman.
Mark Goodman or Keith Goodman?
Mark.
He's right here. Oh, 130, page 3 at the top. Under golden.
Go, Mark Goodman. Okay. Do you have insurance, sir?
No, sir.
Did you have insurance on this day?
No, sir.
Did You got one no proof of insurance. Let me see if there's anything else. No, just one proof of no proof of insurance. Do you own a vehicle, sir?
No, I don't.
What do you want to do with this? Let's call the case. It's the city of Detroit versus Mark Anthony Goodwin.
Good
Case
man.
num- Goodman, I'm sorry. Straighten me out right quick. I got you.
A lot of people do that.
I
So
got you. I got you. Hey, straighten it out. Mark Anthony Goodman, case number SP 122333721. I guess that's how it comes off. Good win is probably more common, and then people just like it came off on me. I'm looking at Goodman and just came out Goodwin, you know. But
it
I'm
happens a
glad you
lot.
corrected. All right, here we go, sir. Sir, I don't know whose car this is, and I don't know if it's yours or was yours, or you're driving somebody else's vehicle. If it's somebody else's vehicle, it's not a defense to say that I just got somebody else's vehicle. You got to know that there's insurance on there. If it's your vehicle, you know you're supposed to have insurance on there. But
Yes,
this
sir.
time, I'll give you an early Christmas present, all right? And this is I want you to pay that forward. I'm going to dismiss this case, all right?
Beautiful.
All right. Don't say, are you a registered voter, sir?
Yes, sir.
I hope you participate in the process, sir. We had
Yes,
18% of participation, but that's your early Christmas present. I hope you pay it forward. Case dismissed, all right?
Thank you, sir. Appreciate you.
All right, have a good one.
You too.
Mr. Good man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right.
Do I hang on?
No, you got it. You can if you want.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
All right, you too. So this is the 3-1. You got a block. And then let's go back on the record with Mrs. Lovely. I've given you an opportunity, Miss Lovely, to speak with the lawyer so that he can go over your options with you. What does your client want to do, Ms. Hatcher?
Your Honor, so her situation is she is a senior, as you stated. She's taking care of her husband, who is a paraplegic. She really needs to get her license. Because I don't have a docket sheet, I mean, I told her we can read all the charges again. She just wanted to know what everything was for. I did go over the plea recommendation with her, and her concern with taking that is how much time the court would give her to pay fines and costs because she is on a fixed income. But it is her goal to get her driver's license because she needs to be able to drive her husband to appointments.
Here's what we're gonna do. Thank you, Ms. Hatcher, for okay, here, Miss Lovely, are you there?
Yes.
All right, here's what we're gonna do, ma'am. We're gonna set a trial date, March the 4th, April the 4th. You're gonna come back with the rest of the bunch.
Uh-huh.
And I'm going to set aside all these defaults. And waive any reinstatement fees. That way, you can potentially go get a driver's license. I suggest that you do that. If Ms. Hatcher is not here on April 4th, and we have another attorney, which likely we will, I need you to, you know, a closed mouth doesn't get fed, right? You've heard that before.
Yes.
So I need you to come into court that day, and I need you to let whoever know. I'm probably gonna remember you now. I remembered you from before, just because of your name, and I'm not gonna forget those names. But you need to let them know your situation, all right?
Yes.
Infraction, I'm going to I'm gonna wipe that $30 fee away. And then for after I do that, I want to recall that warrant on the license suspended, set a trial date for April 4th / formal hearing. And then I'll see you back April 4th at 9 a.m. This should get you clearances at Secretary of State, and this should get you to be able to get a driver's license if you don't have any matters outside of in other jurisdictions. If you got matters in other jurisdictions, I can't do anything about that.
So today should be able to get me licensed?
Well, it's gonna take about 48, 72 hours to get over there to the Secretary of State. So it should get over there. And after that, late this Friday, I would set the appointment for either Friday or Monday if you don't have anything else to take care of.
Okay, and then April 4th is a what hearing?
Then we're gonna go back over all this stuff again, and then we're gonna figure something out then. But this allows you to save some money up. This allows you to get your driver's license. So bring some money on April 4th.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Thank you so much.
All right, I'll see you back April 4th at 9 a.m., ma'am.
9. Okay. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Have a blessed day.
You have one too.
Bye-bye.
All right, I called Mr. Goodman's case and dismissed that case. I'm probably sure. It's going to be one trial, all the formal hearings. We're just going to make sure that we waive any late and reinstate fees, so that she has experience, so you know. Same game.
You said you dismissed Mr. Goodman?
Goodman, yes.
Okay. Is that everybody?
No, we got Coco, Lockett.
Did my son get out of school in 5 minutes? I'm sorry.
You want to come back, ma'am?
If I can, because once I leave out the house, I'm not around Wi-Fi.
All right, let's get you back. Want to just set a trial date for Ms. Lockett as well, or you want to set a pre-trial date?
What do you want to do, Ms. Lockett? Do you want to have it set for trial so the officer be notified, or do you want one more pre-trial date, which just would give an?
Let's set it for trial date. We'll get it all squared away on that date. Come back April 4th. I'm going to do the same for you. I'm going to, hopefully you can get some money together. Let's see. I'll do it if she has to pay If she has to pay any reinstatement fees, I'll let her do that up front as well. And then for the civil infractions that are in default, I'll do the same thing. I'll waive the late and reinstatement fees. So hopefully she can get a license. All right, come back April 4th trial at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day. All right, so I'm gonna notate her file. She's kind of young. And, we'll see if we can. All right. You say what?
That's not just one tip. You hear something of that?
Well, this is
No, you can.
this is the.
No, you don't have to. I was just doing it for that one caller.
All right, I think that this one, good one didn't show up, so we're not.
Good win or?
Good win, yes.
Oh, okay, that's
I
why
think
you
he
got
was
me.
on this morning or something. He was on the morning. Dr. Hart.
We didn't see it. Oh.
All right, well, I think that's gonna take care of it. We have a trial date for Miss Coco Lockett on April the 4th, 2022 at 9 a.m. All right.
Okay. That's everybody?
And we pay the reinstatement fee up front. I don't know if she's gonna be able to do that. But